Hello student, today we are going to start new chapter, that is data handling. In data handling, first topic is data. What do you mean by data? Okay, data is any statistical information which deals with the collection, presentation, analysis. Okay, when we'll represent this kind of data into numerical figure. Okay, by arranging given data in ascending and descending order. So we'll have to calculate the table, or we'll make the table with the help of given data. Okay, data is also two types. First is primary data. Primary data, that means if you are getting the information, with the without any help, that kind of data is known as primary. And secondary data, if you are getting the information with the help of any source, that kind of data is known as secondary data. One more data is there is a raw data. The collection of data in its original form is called raw data. That means if you are getting any information in the original form, that kind of data is known as raw data. After that you will have to convert either into primary or secondary, that depends. Okay, so and the raw data when put in ascending and descending order of magnitude is called an array data. That means whatever the data you are getting from here, if you arrange that data in the form of either in ascending or descending, that kind of data is known as array data. Okay, after that what you'll have to do in this, whatever the information you are getting from there, you'll have to make the table. Okay, so what things you will have to keep in your mind, so you'll have to make three columns in which, like data, whatever the data like marks, members, anything it is given, you have to mention here. And then tally marks, so whatever the number, like if I'm saying 5 is the number, so how many times it is repeating, so you just mark with tally, and then the particular number you'll have to write in the third column. So that means if you are making any tabulation of particular data, so you'll have to make three columns. Okay, and then you'll have to arrange the given data in the form of table. Okay, so after that there is a thing, range. How you'll have to calculate the range if particular data is given, so how you'll have to calculate the range. So range, that means whatever the maximum value of that particular data minus minimum value, so you will get the range. That means range of particular data is how much, so maximum minus minimum. Okay, so I'll tell you with the help of example, so in the next video. Okay.